Minister for Health. I base them on science, technical advice, and strategic interventions. Immediately upon the conservatory orders, and in good faith compliance with therewith, the government of Kenya and the United States of America suspended the proposed collaboration concerning the facility. Indeed, the United States of government publicly confirmed the suspension of the collaboration. The ministry understanding of the conservatory order was that the court had suspended the implementation of the proposed collaboration between the government of Kenya and the United States government in relation to the Laikipia Air Base facility. At all material time, it was never the intention of the ministry or myself as the Cabinet Secretary to disregard, undermine, or act in defiance of the orders of this honorable court. The fear that the Laikipia facility could serve as a vehicle for Ebola importation into surrounding community is scientifically unfounded. The facility is located at a military air base, placing it at significant geographical distance from populated areas